quick story. I was eating my beef patty one day and a coworker came up to me and said, "Kingston?" I said, "Huh?" He said, "You got your beef patty from Kingston Bakery." I said, "Nah, I never heard of it." He said, "Oh, make sure you go there because all they beef patties and everything," he said, "they make it in-house and it's fresh, it's tasty." So I said, "All right." So I'm in the Bronx, New York now. We're about to go to Kingston Bakery and try out these beef patties. Oh, there you go, right here. From cornbread to cinnamon buns, everything is made in-house. Just look how soft that is. It's like laying on a pillow. You could just taste the freshness of the patty. It tastes way different from the beef patty you get from your average pizzeria or Jamaican spot. It's fresh, it's seasoned better, it just tastes better, it's a home run. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.